Hey guys, welcome back. I know it's been a long time. I don't get time to talk to you, but today I thought that, as you know, that we are here for learning English. But this is not the only goal, right? So apart from it, we should also do preparation of our examination. So what happened that in that I was doing my English conversation practice, but in between. Notification released, and now I have to do preparation of my examination as well, because somehow I need to get a government job, because it's not a compulsion that I need money. It is also a part of our life, but the thing is that I'm passionate toward teaching, and I want to be connected throughout the life toward teaching, and that can be possible and when I join a government school, right? Because when you are doing a private job in a private school, there's no certainty whether you will get you will stay with long time or not, because it can be fluctuate over time. Your job is not secure in private sectors. You will keep changing your job time to time, and I want to stay in one place. That's why I'm preparing for it, and along with that I will get decent money if I join a government organization, right? So that's why, and I'm preparing for that, and I have two exams on my head. That's why I'm preparing for that. But if we have exams, we have to prepare for examination. We should skip our English practicing? Not at all. We should do our speaking practice along with your study. And like we have, if you want to clear an exam within 6 months or 7 to 8 months, then we should definitely do a study. We should definitely make a study plan at least for 7 to 8 hours, because we have 6 to 7 subjects that we need to give them time. And if you will do a study only for 2 to 3 hours, then it is not going to possible for you to cover all the subjects. That's why we need to organize our time according to our comfortability. So that's why at least we need to do study at least 7 to 8 hours just to cover all the part of the subject. And if you want to come in your merit list, then obviously we should score each and every subject higher score. You should not, you can't skip even one subject only. So that's why nowadays I'm devoted toward my study as well. That's why I was not getting time to make videos. But today I thought, why don't I assure. So what I'm doing nowadays, and sorry for the background noise. Actually my home is in front of main road. That's why you may find multiple background noise, that is the vehicles noise, right? So I hope you will manage it, and over time we will find the way how to avoid it, right? I will find the place where I can make video calmly without getting disturbed. So I want to share that what I was doing from since morning. Still I think right now it is, I think 9:30 is the time, and today's date is 26th of October 2025, and I want to show you what I was doing. Look at it. I was solving the math. Yesterday night, I attempted one previous year test, and whatever the mistake I did, I was analyzing it, and it's done. And now I just need to practice it. You can say revision. I just need to give revision 4 to 5 times, basically. Then only I can fit it into my subconscious brain. So I've been doing 2 examination preparation, and because of that I left my job. Like I was facing few difficulties in my job, and I have examination as well. So that's why I thought, why don't I skip school, because if during school time I was not getting time to do study. That's why I skipped the school, and now I am completely devoted toward my study. And let's see what happened. Whatever will happen, whatever will come the result, I will definitely share with you. So keep with me. And so now the thing is that how we can do is English speaking practice during our examination period. So like you will do study at least 7 to 8 hours in between. What you can do, you can describe your thought, like whatever you are doing throughout your day, you can describe it in English. So in that way you would be able to focus toward your study, because you whatever you are describing it is in English, and it is about your study plan and whatever the plan you are preparing for next day, right? And whatever you did today, you can also describe it in English regarding your study. So in that way you would be able to keep your English speaking practice along with your study, because both are necessary. If you will go in interview, then you should definitely know English. Without English, whether you scored very high, but if you don't know how to speak English, and so it's a possibility that you get rejected. So we should not avoid the English portion, obviously. So speaking English is really necessary nowadays, so we should definitely take care about it. And you can do is reading as well, like what books I am reading. I wanted to show you, just to stay on track. I don't need to avoid. I can't avoid English portion from my life. So nowadays I'm reading this book, Karma, which has written by Sadhguru. So whenever I get some, I need to make at least 10 to 15 minutes for this reading, and I just read 2 pages in a day. And 2 pages, if I encounter myself new vocabulary, then I explore its meaning as well. And when you explore the meaning, then only you would be able to understand the complete meaning of that book, complete meaning of these pages. So in that way, I also explored 3 to 4 new vocabulary from 2 pages, or maybe it can be differ from 2 to 3, and it can be higher, like 5 to 10. Whatever the new words I discovered, I evaluated and tried to register it in my subconscious mind. In that way, I have been doing my English practice along with my study. So that's what I wanted to share. It's been a long time, and we should leave, shouldn't we? So now it's been a long time, we should leave, and I'll definitely see you later. If new update will come in my brain, then I'll definitely share with you. Till then, keep learning, do English practicing, and keep growing. Thank you so much for being there. Sri Radhe.